Hello guys, this is the second part of how to do a MiniExcel, which serves to generate a database that you could add, modify, or delete the data in only one screen. And also you could export the file to open in Excel. Okay, in the first part, we finish in the part that we could change the titles and also to add data. In this part, we will see the part of aligned the data and to could update or delete the data. In this part, I think we will see all the app. Don't forget to see the first part if you haven't done. The part of how to export to CSV will be in other video. Okay, we will do that when you click on one data. uh, when you click on one data, will appear a notifier which will give us the option of update or delete or to line up. If you click on line up, the data will align, or if you click on update or delete, then appear another options. If it is update, will appear another notifier, which will which it will uh, in which we will put the new data, or if you click on delete, it will delete the data. Remember that you could download all the project, watch the first part. There I explain how you could download. It includes the final APK, the app Inventor project, and all the tools that I use. Okay, in column we put an after picking. We need to open this align and put this show choose dialog. This the message will say choose an option to align, date, or delete the selected data. Okay, these blocks are the ones we saw in the first part. In title, we put um, the options. The title will be options. Okay, the selections options. And the first button will say align. The second button will say update or delete. And also the cancel button, so we put in true. Okay, first we need to send a certain data to the selection. We put a set. This will be the selection. We will send the selected data to the selection variable in which position. So in column, we put a selection index. And also we need the db variable in which we will send the value of the column 1. and that's all that we're going to send. And it will be the same for all the after picking of the column. The only variable that will going to change will be the column 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now the part of aligned. We put this after choosing in choice. Get saved the what button did we choose. In the case of aligned, we put an if, and we use a logic of equals. Here's, we copy this, and this is choice needs to be equals to align to run this code. Okay, we initialize a local variable. I will call it x to the index, which is the selection variable. Okay, and in column 1 we use um, elements from string, elements from string, this, and it will be from the list 1. Select item list. This is the list 1, and the index is the selection. Here we could do this without the local variable. Okay. Now we copy this, but for column 2 and 3. Okay, now we will do to the back button on visible. So is this set button back and visible. And in logic, we take this through. And on the button back, we put when button click, and it just go to column 1. And here set elements and the list this, and the same for column 2 and 3, but with list 2 and 3 and impulse. Okay, now if isn't the option of align, we need an else. With this if, sorry, I will delete this else. This is in here, and this code we put here. Okay. The message log, and we put this code here. And we need the choose dialog. The message will say, what do you want to do? Update or delete? Update or delete. And the title, also options. The first button, update, and the second is delete. And also the cancel button. Okay, now on the after picking of column, collapse block. Okay, column in of after picking. Sorry, after choosing. Okay, we need an if with an equals. If here is an equals, if choice is equals um, this this delete, we need to here delete, and we need a remove list item list. Here is remove list item. Okay, from the list one, and the index is selection, and the same for the others lists. Okay. Okay, now we need to update the list in the TinyDB and also in the list. Mm, It's almost the same than the button save. Is this? So we copy this. These ones here, here, and this one. Okay, collapse. And this we will put at the final of the cycle. This is to update the list, no matter if we choose update or delete. Now we put an else if, else if the choice was update. The message will say write the update of the selected data. Of the selected data. And the title I will put update. and also the cancel button. Now on the column we put the is after text input. Okay, and where I'll copy here. I will copy this and we only need this one. It says that if it's cancel or different. Remember that we sent the ID of the column or the name. So here's where we're going to use it. So another if. It is saved on dv. dv needs to be equals to column 1, or in other case the column 2 or column 3. So then we put replace list item. So the list is the list 1. The index is selection. And we're going to replace with get response. And now we need to update the list. Now with the replacement, we put on column 1 elements to lists. List 1. And here we need this store value. I will copy that. Oops. Okay, here we put this. Okay, now an else. This else is an else if. And we delete this else. And it will be the same, but here is column 1. Replace it, list item. These 2 will be the same for the 3 columns. List 2, and now the list 3. I think it's more efficient in this form. This is if, and we delete this if else. And this if we put in this else. And we copy this if. And in here we put in another else. And this if we put in inside this else. Okay, this is for the column 3. Okay, with this we have all the part of date. Okay, now I'll pull the app to test it. Okay, let's pull the APK. Okay, this is the app. We'll click on one data. I'll put update the new data. No, but it doesn't do the change. Let's see if it could delete. Okay, the only error is on the update. Okay, I'll add some data to see uh, to see if the aligned works. Align this, align. Okay, it is working. Okay, let me see the error. I'm doing this in memory, so this is because I have a little error. There's the error here. Let me see. I'll try something. Yes. I'll copy this. So, do like this, and I put this, and I put date. Yeah, yes. Below. I'll copy this. I'll copy this text because I'm writing this, so it's easy to make a mistake. We change this and delete this. Okay. Mm, no, where's the error? It's not where? No. Sorry, I modify this. Let's copy this, and we put here instead using else. We add this here. Relax. We copy this, and we put it in here. Okay, no, it's not working. So one symbol maybe the date. Oh yeah, here is a it needs to be equals to column one to get the comparison. Okay, it was the error here. Mm, well, okay, let's see if it is working now. Build the app. Okay, this is the app. Update. 1, 2, 3, and now it's updating. Okay, this is all for this video. Remember to watch the first part and also the upcoming video, how to export the CSV files. Any question, please post it. I will answer as fast as I can. Uh, Remember that you could download the app, all the APK without the errors. Sorry, and fully functional. Okay, visit my official page and okay. Uh, Remember to see all the part. Okay, see you in the next time. Bye.